All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 462. Jason Lindgren is with me, and David Avocado Wolf returns. We're going to be talking about tobacco. And most people think probably of the word cancer when you hear the word tobacco, but what we're going to do is teach you something about real, naturally grown, unadulterated tobacco, not kind of corporate, messed with, processed, chemical added tobacco. It opened my eyes, and when David came to visit me, he actually let me sample some, and there is a world of difference. Anyhow, we're going to jump in and talk about many things that I'm reasonably sure you've never heard of. Anyhow, the first hour is free at crow777radio.com. That's CRROW777radio.com. Members know to log in for the full episode. I learned a lot in this episode. It's very interesting, and David's been sending me pictures of the flowers, which is one way you identify the type of tobacco. I hope you join us. Anyways, I'd like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.